Everyone, this is Kaushik and welcome to my channel Techno Junkie. If you are trying to run QBasic on Windows 10 but facing issues, so don't worry. Since modern Windows operating system does not support old DOS based programs, we need to use DOS emulator which is called DOSBox to make it work. In this video, I will show you a step-by-step guide to install and run QBasic using DOSBox easily. So let's get started. So first of all, we have to download the DOSBox. So go to the browser, type QBasic download. Go to the first option, qbasic.net. After that, scroll down and basic to DOSBox. Now click download here. Download, click on the zip folder. Now open this folder and again this file. Now we have to extract the file. So select extract all. I want to extract the file on my C drive. So select C drive, select folder, then extract. Now you can see a folder named basic to DOSBox. Open the folder and click on the exe file. Now we have to give a path to the destination folder. I will select C drive and then OK, then next, and then click yes. Now again go to the C drive. You can see a DOSBox 0.74 folder. Open it. Then double click to the DOSBox exe file. Now a command prompt will open. Now type these commands. I will give the commands in the description below. Okay, now click the escape button. So this is the QBasic compiler. You can write your program here. Now if you want to exit, go to the file and click exit. If you want to save your file, then yes, and otherwise click no. And here type exit. That's it. You have successfully installed and run QBasic on Windows 10 using DOSBox. I hope this tutorial helped you. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Also, let me know in the comment if you have any suggestions or video suggestions. See you in the next one.